Okay, I'm just taking a video of the roses and the flowers in the yard. The honeysuckle's kind of played out, but it was pretty right at when it first started. Let's see, we got some rose moss trying to creep through the blocks. Okay. Wanted to get a picture of this clematis. That is just beautiful, which that will not be in bloom when we get back home. Alright, this is the night before the big pack up. We head toward the west. As the frontier said, go west, young man, go west. Okay, folks, trying out my remote control on my camera, and it's like a kid with a new toy. Zoom in, which is spooky, I know. Zoom out. So anyhow, this is the night before, and I'm kind of waiting for the time to roll down, because tomorrow morning we are going to get in the Cadillac and head to the west. And we're going to hopefully see Grizz and Rosanna some point within the next 2 weeks. So maybe I can upload this on the road. I don't know how it'll work. We'll give it a shot. I want to keep it short and sweet. So until then, goodbye.